Welcome friends, in this video tutorial we will learn how to create table of data in Excel worksheet. So now I have one new worksheet called sheet 1 and I want to create one data table into this worksheet. So I want to create data table like this. I have one company Balaji sales forecast and I want to enter the details of months, quarter, year, channel and forecast. I want to create data table like this. So go to the first sheet and I want to first give heading like Balaji sales forecast. So I have to write here Balaji sales forecast. Now this heading contains only one cell data, but I want to merge it to 5 cell. I want to extend it to 5 cell. So what can I do? So I can drag it to 5 cell and 2 columns. Now go to the alignment option or alignment tab and select merge and center. So click on to that merge and center option. So you can see now your cell is merged. So now I can write Balaji sales forecast. You can format it like Word. So I am increasing size of particular cell. I can give bold. I can also give color, but I don't want to give color. So this is our heading of table. Now I want to write various columns like month, quarter, year, channel and forecast. So I can write here month, quarter, year, channel. You can go to the next cell by clicking onto the tab forecast and go to the down cell, press enter. So you can go to the down cell by pressing enter. Now this becomes our tables columns. Now if you want to enter the data, then you can enter by here January, quarter 1, year 2001, channel, retail and forecast of INR 2000 rupees. So likewise I can also enter for February, no quarter defined, 2001, retail. I am entering direct cell and forecast of 4000. So this way you can enter the various details in Excel workbook. So this way you can create table in Excel worksheet. Thank you.